Hi everybody in second class. Today we are going to go on a little walk to the park near our school, and I know that there are some trees that are native to Ireland there, so I wanted you to have a little idea of what they looked like before we went there. If you're going to watch this little video from somewhere else, you can try to identify those trees in a park near your home, or maybe some fields that are around your house. Okay, so Crin na hÉireann, native trees of Ireland. So this is one that you'll see all over Ireland. It's called the oak, and you'll see the little acorns in the middle of the leaves that the squirrels like to eat. You'll notice that it has lots of pointy parts to its leaf, and the Irish for oak is dar. They grow very tall and they're easy to grow in Irish soil. This is an interesting one that is near our school called the Scots Pine, Peine Albanoch. And the interesting thing is that this came from Scotland, but actually before it was in Scotland, it was in Ireland. So there were loads of them in Ireland, and then they got cut down, and we had to import some seeds back from Scotland to grow some of these trees in our own country, even though they came from here originally. This is a blackthorn, and you might have heard of them because they're thorny, and they have these little berries called sloes that you shouldn't actually eat, but the birds can eat them. And they have some beautiful flowers in spring and summer, and also their branches are often cut down to make something called a shillelagh, which is a strong black stick. So this one is called the ash tree, and we've talked about this in the classroom because it is often, the wood from this is used to make hurleys and other furniture, and it's got a really distinctive leaf because it's got tiny leaves on a little branch and lots of them. Agus Fuinseog is the name for this tree. This is one that lots of children like to try to eat. It's called the crab apple, and there's one of them in the gardens of our school, and it's not super nice to eat, but you can eat it, okay? And maybe some of you have tried them already. Fia Uul. Agus Shinne, we're going to go soon to go on the walk to the park, and I want you to bring a clipboard or a hard book to put the paper on, bring a pencil, take some colouring pencils, and we might sketch the trees if we have time. And remember, when we're out in the park, we need to be safe, we need to be with our partner, and always be able to see me. Okay? And I apologize for the sound on this video, but that is because the sound on my laptop is not super good right now. Thank you, and let's go.